I'll guide you through the official and secure method to cash out from Cash App directly to your linked bank account or debit card without confusion over fees or transfer times. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. Before you can cash out of Cash Out, you must link your bank account. Tap the profile icon, then select Linked Banks. You will see your linked bank account, which ensures it's ready for transfer. If no bank is linked, you can watch this video to learn the easy steps to connect a bank account or debit card. With a bank account linked, return to the main screen, then tap the Money/Banking tab to view your current Cash App balance. You can enter the dollar amount you wish to transfer, then tap Cash Out to go ahead with the speed choice. You must now choose between two options, Instant Transfer or Standard Transfer. Select Instant Transfer if you want the funds instantly transferred to your linked debit card, and this comes at a small fee. If you want to send the money to your linked bank account for free, then select Standard. But understand, this takes 1 to 3 business days. Always double-check the account details before confirming any transfer to ensure your money goes to the right place. Verify the transaction using your PIN or Face ID to securely complete the transfer. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.